Hello again. Now today we're just going to make a really simple smoothie, or juice, we call it smoothie. So it's made in minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some vegetables into it and some cucumber and spinach along with the apple and the pineapple. It's just that you don't want to, sometimes when people come in to me, in my clinic, they'd say to me that they're using a lot of fruit, so it could be, you know, about 5 different fruits, and that would be too much sugar together. So it's good to make it more alkaline and put in some of the vegetables as well. So we'll start off. So we've got a third of a cucumber. So I'm going to bring over my nutribullet container here. A third of a cucumber. So like really the nutribullet will blend it up for you. So a third of a cucumber just washed and put in here. The next ingredient then is a slice of pineapple. Now some people would throw the middle of the pineapple away, so it's about an inch of pineapple, which you can see here. So the pineapple goes in. You need to keep the inside of the pineapple as well. So what you do is the core, you just take off the outer thick skin, and then the bromelain, which is anti-inflammatory, is in the center of the core. So you use all the pineapple except the outer skin. So pineapple is great, anti-inflammatory, great for any pains, you know, it's just really good, and it sweetens it up as well. It's lovely. The next ingredient is apple. And apples are really good, full of pectin, and you know the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So really good. Apple is very good to have as well. And the next ingredient we are putting in is the spinach. Now I love spinach because spinach is just so, you know, it's so green and beautiful to look at, and it gives great energy. So kids or teenagers, my daughter makes this one all the time, and she will actually just drink it down, no bother, with the spinach. And the spinach is just really good, alkalizing, magnesium, you know, calcium. It's just very good, and it just gives it a nice color as well. So we have 200 mils of water here as well. So what we're going to do now is blend all of this together. So again, you get good fiber, you get iron, magnesium, lots and lots of different nutrients. So we have it all here now together. So I'm just going to pop it in here and blend it. So there you go. I pour it into a glass now. So I would say probably 150 to 200 mils. I might have put a little bit too much in today. So there you are, my go-to green smoothie. Very good, alkalizing, and really good. How would I have this? I would have this mid-morning, mid-afternoon, probably mid-morning, with either a protein ball or a couple of nuts, any kind of nuts, walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, whatever it was, just to keep my blood sugar balanced. So really good, alkalizing, energizing, and good for the gut. Very good, folic acid, everything. It's really healthy. My go-to green smoothie. I hope you enjoy it and try it. Thank you.